Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI about 10 days ago, on January the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $26.77. And at this point, my main assumption was that we have to see the retest of about $26 mark. And if SOFI breaks this level, we have to see the retest of 0.786 Fib level. And depending on the reaction out of these levels, we might see and we might project its upcoming movements. And on a bigger scale, we might anticipate the retest of the certain levels as well. And take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset broke this level of support of $26 mark, as you can see right here, and it retested $25.12, 0.786 Fib level. And for now, guys, we have a very good reaction out of this level, which means potentially in the upcoming session, we might see its movement to the upside. And as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what crucial levels do we have on the price chart, what news might be the catalyst for the upcoming week and month, and what should we expect next from the price action itself. And let's begin with the fundamental news. First of all, I want to pay attention to this article that was published on Yahoo Finance on January the 20th, and it's titled "SOFI Stock Falls Ahead of Q4 Earnings, What to Expect from Upcoming Report." And in general, guys, SOFI was in downtrend for quite a while. From this top, it lost basically 15%, almost 16% of its value, and it was in downtrend for more than 2 consecutive weeks. And this anticipation of its earnings report is quite interesting, because on the one hand, well, the forecast is a little bit softer than it was previously, but at the same time, guys, SOFI is over-deliver. Usually it over-delivers all the results. And we have not more than just 1 week till they will publish their earnings report, and this might be the date from which we might see a major spike in its price. For now, we don't know what type of spike it might be, but let me show you quite interesting detail from the fundamental point as well. Here is the article that was published on ts2.tech. And it's titled "SOFI Stock Edges Up After JPMorgan Reveals 5.1% Stake as Earnings Near." And guys, according to the 13G filing, JPMorgan disclosed a 5.1% holding in SOFI. And here you can see the results. Here you can see this filing itself. They filed it on January 21st, and they hold for now almost 65 million shares of SOFI technologies, which means, guys, it is a drastically bullish sign for SOFI. And in general, if we take a look at the list of so-called smart money investors who want to hold SOFI in their investment portfolios, you can see that the number of shares which belongs to institutional investors is at all-time high level, and we don't have any weakness on this parameter, and definitely it is a very bullish sign. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. Travis published this tweet 13 hours ago, and Travis is a long-term bull on SOFI, and he reposted the tweet that was written by Unusual Whales 14 hours ago, and it says, Jamie Dimon of JPMorgan has said the credit card cap proposed by Trump will remove credit from 80% of Americans. And Travis added, 80% of Americans is a massive number. Per SOFI CEO, the company would benefit from this cap passing. Less credit card lending could directly lead to more personal loan demand for SOFI. And yes, in my previous video, I explained to you why it might be very important, and I showed you the opinion of Anthony Noto himself. And definitely, all this news combined makes me thinking that SOFI potentially might have at least a local bottom for its price. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you where we are on a bigger scale. And if I zoom out to, let's say, 12 hours time frame, SOFI is in consolidation phase basically from the beginning of September of last year. And it is in this sideways movement that is extremely tricky to catch and it's extremely tricky to track because, well, we have an extension in the B wave and potentially this was the C wave that completed the retracement, entire retracement, which unloaded this structure from this bottom that was established at the very beginning of April of last year to this top. And on top of that, guys, we had a very good reaction that I caught to the tick from this level, and potentially it was the first wave of the fifth wave on a bigger scale. And for now, guys, my anticipation was that potentially this was the bottom of the second wave. But you know that this type of consolidation might consist several ABC waves, and this was the first ABC. And it is only a part of a bigger ABC. And for now, guys, with this retest of this bottom, potentially this is the A wave, B wave and C wave on a bigger scale, which means, guys, we might have this as our bottom of the second wave, and we have to see another leg to the upside to complete its next several waves. But what should we expect next in the upcoming session? Guys, this asset should not break $25.10 mark, and if this bottom holds, we have to see its next leg to the upside. And with the most recent activity on the wait a second, I will show you on hourly time frame. Just yesterday on the Davos forum, Donald Trump made a very good statement which led to this substantial growth for the entire market. And SOFI had also very good movement to the upside, which retested its previous swing highs. And for now, in the upcoming session, we might see its trend continuation. So let me show you again SOFI's movement in details. And if this bottom holds of about $25 to $25.10 mark, we might see the retest of this swing high that was established on January the 9th at $28.35 and this top as well. If it breaks these two levels with the substantial volume and with the clear 5-wave movement structure, we can anticipate and we can conclude that this was the local bottom of the retracement that was established on November 21st of last year, and we are in uptrend to complete its major fifth wave that will land, I believe, somewhere above, wait a second, I will show you right here, somewhere above 39 or maybe even $40. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only